back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make this cool, great butter slime. Now all you need is lotion and air dry clay. Now you mix it. It was just air dry clay. You put lotion in it. Oh poop! It got on the table. And then you mix it in with the slime or butter slime. I mean, it's butter slime. I added slime to this already. Sorry, guys. You just have to add slime, and that's it. Just mix it in. Mix it, and then you poke it. It's soft. It won't make any bubble noises, but it will make it stretchy, and will make it very, very stretchy, and make very perfect swirls. So, guys, that's the end, and that was very easy. It's just glue, no borax. So, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. So, guys, you guys have to put Notification Squad, and then I will make a shout out to you. #Notification Squad. So, bye, guys.